Okay. Um. So since last stream, I have done some stuff. I'm gonna wait for some people to get in here. Also, I did activate a Studio Beta feature, which is a really nice selection outline. I think it's a huge improvement. It just, I'm not sure if that's just me biased because it's new, but I really like the fact that it actually like outlines the thing you're hovering over instead of putting a box. Anyway, since last time, a couple of things I've done. I last stream I planned. Uh, I will. Uh, Last time I planned on doing like flashlight stuff as well as putting stuff in drawers. Oh, no audio. I think that's on you because Streamlabs seems to be picking me up. Anyway, since last time I planned on doing drawers and flashlights, but if you were there, you'd know I only managed to get the flashlights done. I already had them, but now I can activate it even if I'm not holding it. And it has a third person flashlight on my shoulder whenever I have it on. I'm holding it. And uh, since the last stream, like I said, I made it so you can actually put stuff in drawers. As you can see, it snaps right in. You can only put one thing in at a time. Oh, I forgot to set that up. Okay, you can only put one thing in at a time, obviously. But you can put anything in these drawers, and it closes just fine. You can take it back out, obviously, which is just a kind of nice quality of life feature. I always wish Phasmophobia had. You can put stuff in drawers in Phasmophobia, but it's kind of hard, and it's a lot easier in VR because you can like manually set stuff down in the exact spot you want it. Um, but with that out of the way, I did also change a couple systems, like more technical stuff to make it a bit easier for me to do third-person stuff. I have item classes now for all the third-person items, and I think that made a bunch of stuff a lot cleaner. Yeah, I'm happy with the direction things are going. So, I have two options for things I can work on today. I can either start working on adding some spells. I can prepare spell crystals, magic crystals, wherever those are. I had some sitting over here. Where is it? There it is. I have a magic crystal model that I can get to start working, appearing in drawers. You can pick it up to use for spells, and I can add some GUIs and stuff to my spellbooks so that you can actually use them instead of you just opening up with there nothing in there. Or I can start adding functionality, basic functionality to some more items, such as the lighter, the candle, all that stuff. Confused as to where this part is. Anyway, doesn't matter. So, I could like start by taking the candle and adding a thing to hold it by, and for only first person, and make it so that the lighter can actually light it, as well as just make the lighter toggleable. Or I can start with some spells. So it's completely up to you, and I will start a poll after I give people like Skelly a chance to get in, because, yeah. Now real quick, I'm going to figure out how to set up a poll. Hey, it's Skelly, welcome. Figuring out how to set a poll right now. Hey guys, from you guys watching ads, I've made 19 cents. Thank you very much. Thank you for the 19 cents. Oh. Yeah, 7 minutes and 30 seconds of ad breaks for 19 cents. Oh, that's funny. Okay, let me see here. Scully, do you have any idea how to set up a poll? I don't know how to set up a poll. Please know how to set up a poll. You have no idea. Okay. I see how to set up a prediction. One second. Can I do that? Is that a thing? Poll new. Is there a poll help? Ah! Help. Is that a command? It is not. Okay, Nightbot, I'm going to your website. Nightbot. Nightbot.tv. Log in. Commands. Default. Poll. Docs. Okay. Poll new. Right. Poll new. Title is what should I make? We have work on spell system. Working with candles and lighters. What? I don't even know. I don't even know. No, it doesn't tell me to do that. I'll try. Test A, B. Nope. I think it's like some sort of straw poll thing. So, this is already a huge flaming wreck of a stream. But yeah, if you want me to do, just say which one you'd rather me do. No, that's how you do polls. It's just that Nightbot is not happy with me. Hmm. Anyway, actually, no, I'll just look it up. How, just go in the search box. How to do polls, which is going off my screen. I'm going to move it over. How to use polls. Creating polls. Okay, dashboard. Okay, where's my dashboard? Here we go. Manage poll. There we go. There we go. I figured it out. I did it. Okay, question. What do I work on? The options are basic spell book systems or working. All 5 people came back once I fixed it. Nice. Working candles and flashlights. Yo, what's up? Faithless King 26. Welcome to the stream. I am working on a horror game, and I'm trying to figure out what I should work on next. Why did I say working candles and flashlights? Lighter. Oh, there's a maximum length. Lighter. Okay. Yeah, okay. Duration 2 minutes. Start poll. I did it! Let's go. I figured it out. I'm not that stupid. Yes, I am. So I am making a horror game. I am deciding what to work on next. I'm working on the basic systems. I don't have someone working on the map right now. This is a testing place just to get everything that's going to be in the game working. And I am deciding whether or not I'm going to work on candles or spells next. This is a ghost hunting horror game that will be aided by spells. Magic crystals are used as a currency to perform spells, and candles are also very important in the game because they are used for exorcisms as well as to deter certain ghost types. Yeah, make sure to vote on the poll if you haven't already. It's 1-1. Yeah, since the last stream, what I've done, I made so you can toggle the flashlight even if you're not holding it, and it works if you're not holding it. It goes on your shoulder. That's what I did last stream. And what I've done since the last stream, as soon as Roblox stops bugging me out, there we go, is I have made it so that you can put items in drawers. It's a bit janky, but it gets the job done, and I might consider changing that at some point. But, yeah, if you throw an item and it touches a drawer, it just snaps in. I opened the door the wrong way. So, I'm going to let the poll run out. 2 on spellbook, okay. I keep trying to open the door the wrong way. I feel stupid. Spellbook, okay. I'm doing spellbook stuff. Honestly, I would prefer to do the candles, but chat has spoken. I guess my 4-person chat. My 4-person chat has spoken. Yeah, so I'll do that now. What I have already for this stuff is I have a button that opens up the spellbook, and mouse unlocks, and I have 2 GUIs here that I will edit, and I will make it so the buttons actually do stuff so I can cast some spells. So that's going to be kind of That's gonna be kind of fun. And I really like that animation. Props to my animator, though, seriously. Okay, so I'm gonna edit the stream info now, because now I know what we're gonna do. That's not... I do have chaos in my game, but that is not how it works. Chaos increases the ghost's activity, based off certain actions that will increase it, and you can also try to lower that. It's like a heavily modified version of Phasmophobia's sanity. What you need to cast spells are these little purple magic crystals. I have one over here. I think I did. Crystal. I have these little magic crystals that you'll be able to find in drawers, and you will use these as like a currency to cast spells. Yeah, so editing the stream info, basic spell. Also gonna add some tags to my stream. Okay, cool. I believe I have... Yep, there we go. You're making an RPG game right now. Nice. What's it about? Just started though, and I'm only good at sort of quest writing, so I'm outsourcing for everything else. I see, I see. I can't morally... This is just me. I don't judge other people if they do this differently, but I personally cannot let myself claim ownership of a game or receive earnings from a game unless I personally helped in the creation past planning. Now, I know that it's completely normal, and I don't judge people if they only plan the game, because that makes complete sense. Just to me, I feel like I want to have some sort of creative control so I can like fine tune things to be exactly as I want. Anyway, that's why I'm a programmer. I don't have complete control over how the models look and stuff, which is a bit sad, but I'm pretty happy with how things have been turning out. If they found this stream, it's probably in Roblox. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a new folder for spells, and I'm going to put module scripts in these for every spell. So I'm going to need a base spell class that I can build off of. So I have spell class. I'm going to just completely clear out everything in here, really. I'm not even going to need that anymore. Oops. Probably am going to need equip. I'm not going to need to get animation. I don't think I'm going to need unequip finished. I'm not going to need any of this. Yeah. Or this. I should probably be reading that out loud. I'm like reading it to myself. It starts with a typical anime, but I don't know how to pronounce that. Opening where you leave a convenience store and then you get hit by a truck. I feel like that's a reference to something. And when you open your eyes, you're in a fantasy world. But there's a cult that infiltrated the governments and churches, causing people to sin more and create negative emotions, which ultimately revives the Demon King. That's kind of interesting. I could see that. I could see that coming together. Yeah. When you say that beginning, I immediately thought of this one GIF of this like anime person like running out into a street and then immediately getting hit by a car. I only know that because of like the Team Fortress 2 version where it like cuts to the sniper in there in this monologue. Let me see if I can find that GIF. I'll send it in my Discord, but oh yeah, here it is. Okay. Yes. That's what I immediately think of. Of course I know it from TF2. I'll send the tenor link here. Why does it say I'm not logged in? Log in. Infinity. Hold on. Freaking sent me a freaking code. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to go. You want my mom's phone? A moment. I have returned and I have yoinked my mom's phone. Every good streamer leaves their chat sometimes. Let's see here. Where's my code? There we go. There we go. There's the GIF. There's the GIF. It's been way too long. Oh, okay. So there's gonna be two types of spells in my game: instant cast and yeah, there's gonna be instant cast and aim cast. I think that's what I'm gonna call them. Instant cast. The second you select the spell, it will immediately cast it with a cool animation. And then select cast, it's gonna be like the door sealing spell, where you select it and then you have to choose the door. And it's gonna have like two stages after this. So like you select the door and then you use it. So I'm probably gonna need two subclasses for this. Perhaps a spell you place on the floor that goes off when a ghost walks over it. I already have so many things the player can use to weaken the ghost. I can't makes it doesn't make sense to me to add another. Honestly, I'm already worried that my game's gonna be too easy. And if I add another thing the player can do to weaken the ghost, it's just gonna be like just way too easy. Like you can already chain the ghost, you can already pacify it, You can already like stun it for a very short period of time with a flash camera. You can throw a amulet at it. I'm King. No, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Hello there. Let's mutiny. What? You're gonna mutiny me? You're gonna mutiny me? Oh, I can't talk. You're gonna mutiny me? Ugh! Why can't I talk? You're going to mutiny me now? What the heck? Overthrow the government. I'm not a government. Since when was I a government? What? This isn't your game? I'd like to see you try to code this. I mean, I take that back. I don't. Yeah, you might be able to do it. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, we don't talk about that. We don't. I mean, it's my Discord server. I can do what I want. Who cares if I set my level to 100? Uh, after two people, the bot and my ex-admin. I also love how my bot's in there just still off. Okay, so what am I going to do here? So I'm going to have cast. I probably don't need... I do need on frame. I'm going to need on cancel. Or cancel, probably. And that's going to be the same thing as unequipped, so I'm not going to use that. What the heck is happening in my chat anymore? I don't even know. Is this everything we need? Equip is going to be... I'm going to call this begin. It's going to be cast, on frame, and cancel. I'm going to also have a boolean instant. If it's instant, then the begin will then immediately call cast. Right. Ian is the type of guy to casually play Minecraft with a texture pack that makes ores easier to see. What? I don't have a texture pack. I have a shader that happens to make them glow. And I'm not complaining because it makes everything else darker. So it compensates for the being darker by making the ores glow a bit. So I can still see it. Why am I explaining myself to you? Why am I explaining myself to you? Oh my god. Oh. Okay. And basic spell classes, everything I'm going to need in it, I believe. I'm also going to want a... I'm also going to have function module cast server and the player that casted it. Oh, I mean, that's technically the truth. I can't do that. Okay. Okay, so I think this should work for the base, and if not, I can always modify it, I guess. I'm gonna need another module script in here. Let me copy something I already have. And template spell class I'm gonna have here. Where was that actually? Okay, template spell class. Ian is also officially a developer on Discord. Yes, because I have a bot in my Discord server that I never remember to turn on. I coded a bot for my Discord server that I just never turn on. Just freaking botfinity is sitting offline all the time. I should probably do something about that. Let me just start it up real quick. Visual Studio Code. Terminal, new terminal. Node dot. There you go. It's starting up. Are you happy? I'm too lazy to do that. You're twisting my words and you know it. Okay, so I have cast server. I'm gonna have to manually copy that over, I think. That's fine. Template spell class. It's gonna require the spell class. That's the parent class, and I will say function module colon cast server. I probably don't need any of this. I can just copy that out. I think that might be it. I think it might be that simple. And then I can overwrite things as I need it. Yeah, I think that works. Okay. So okay, what spell do you want me to add first? Let me get my list of spells out. I have a doc for a Google Doc for all my spells and stuff. Are you making a game? If you are, King, I will be very proud of you, but I doubt it because you've never showed even the slightest interest in that kind of stuff. A rune? I don't need... Runes are not how you cast spells in this game. There is a chain spell, but there are no runes. Why are you trying to make creative decisions in my game when I already have a well-thought-out plan? Okay. Here are some of the spells I have. I have Exorcism, Door Seal, Restrain, Pacify, Medium, and Revival. Actually, I need to change that. It's not. It's Spirit Walk now. And it's much more expensive. Six is probably good. Oh, there's no way they're gonna agree to that. There's no way they're gonna agree to that. It's like their job at this point. Oh, they did agree to that. Okay. Oh, good. Forget what I said. Chat, you're fine. Everything's fine. I'm gonna swap up these levels. 45 and 60. So I'm gonna have to change some things in the lobby now. I actually have a lot of things I need to change in the lobby. I think about it. I want to make the system a bit more modular. And I pulled up Unreal Engine. Okay. Do you know how to use it? That's the question. Yeah, I do refuse to use it. If I'm going to use another game engine that's not Roblox, it's going to be Unity. Just because I actually have some experience in Unity, but I have no experience in Unreal. Okay? Okay, so in the spell list, I want to make this a bit more modular. They got a tutorial for starters. Okay, well, Unity has Brackies. There is no replacement to Brackies. I mean, he stopped making videos, but like he made some really helpful stuff that's still most of it that is still very helpful. Okay, so I want to make this modular. I want to make it so this all automatically updates instead of me having all these spells hard-coded into the game. So I'm going to take all these spells and I'm going to replace this with a script. I'm going to call it like loader. And I'm going to take in one. I'm going to call this template. And I'm going to delete all the others. how are these positioned in the center? Ugh. Okay, that's gonna be a pain to code. It's fine. Actually, what I can probably do, I'll put this back, and I'll just name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I can access these all pretty simply with a loop, and they're ordered, which is most important. I did not order them right, though. 1, okay, I want it to be going like that. Actually, it makes sense to go like that, actually, because that's how you read. Where do you find unity? What do you mean? I have no idea what you mean by that. Okay, so this is the first one, that's the second one, that's the third one, that's the fourth one, that's the fifth one, that's the sixth one. I'm gonna order it by level. Yeah, and they all have a required level value here. How did I get the game creator on my PC? Unity. Just look it up, man. This isn't a Unity stream. Don't ask me for Unity advice, please. Oh, I lost, like, all my viewers. No. Oh, man. I'm down to 3. Which is just you and... Oh, wait, Skelly left. So it's just you and one other person. Oh, well. It's gonna happen. So that just happens sometimes. Okay, you're gonna have to say that again soon. Just look it up. Oh, the ads just came up. So that's where all my viewers went. They know. Remembered I had ads. The ad. Oh, you ruined everything. Video producer. No, I don't want video producer. I didn't ruin everything. I am making money. You see the difference? 30 seconds of my time wasted. Not edit stream info. Let's see. How much are you guys earning me at this very second by watching these ads? Okay, it hasn't updated yet. But so far, y'all have made me 19 cents from ads. Thank you very much for watching these ads. Oh, that's so pitiful. 19 cents! 19 freaking cents. Okay. I should probably start making this actually work. So, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this into a package. Actually, now that I think about this, I probably don't need a base class. I can probably just do that. Delete this. And that'll work. So I'm going to convert this to a package. Convert to package. It's going to belong to Development Infinity, and it's going to be ecto underscore spells. Now, what's important about making this a package is it will automatically update between games. So if I change the spells in here, it will change in the lobby as well, which is going to be a huge time saver. So here, I'm going to go to the package link and make sure auto update is enabled, just so I don't have to worry about that. And I'm going to go here, and I'm going to import this package. As soon as it realizes it exists, okay, maybe it's not that simple. Okay, what if okay, I think I need to go here, my packages, there we go. It's not even here. Oh, okay, it goes under Development Infinity. Crap. Group packages, development infinity. There we go. I figured it out. Okay, so put this in. I put this in replicated storage. I'm gonna just turn on auto update. And now, if I make a change here, it'll change everywhere else, which is really nice. Yeah, and I think that's gonna save me some time. Okay, so now let's just test this out real quick. If I add a module script inside here, let's just add all the module scripts. Template spell class. Paste. 2, 3, 6. Okay, there's 6 spells. Where's my list? Here it is. Okay, I have 6 spells. I'm gonna call them Exorcism, Door Seal. Actually, I'll just call it Door Seal. Restrain, Pacify, Spirit Walk, I misspelled Spirit, how embarrassing, and Revival. Now, if I go here, I do Publish to Package, and I head over here, I said here, it's there! Let's go! Haha! Oh, that's awesome. That's the first time I've ever actually used packages, and I love that. Holy crap. Oh, I love that. Okay, cool. So, now in here, I can write this to automatically load these all in. So let me just set up the data on these first. They're all going to need, oh, I messed up, module.cost, module dot name. I probably don't need that because it's just a module name. I'll put it there anyway. Name equals script.name, module.description equals, well, that's, what was the description I put for the exorcism spell? Assist the apparition in its transition to the spirit realm. Okay. I also need function module past server. Let me just paste that into all of these and modify it. Oh. And there. Okay. So I'm going to also put the level requirement, module.level equals 5 for this one. Then on door seal, module.level equals 1. Do you guys think I should have it so that you start off with the exorcism, or you have to unlock the ability to exorcise the ghost? What do you think about that? like if you start playing the game, the very first run, if you do everything perfectly, do you want the player to be able to exercise the ghost, or do you want them to get to a certain level before they can do that? Well, what are your guys' ideas? Or don't say anything. That works too, I guess. All right. Well, I'm gonna have to actually do some thinking. I want the player to have some sort of taste of the spells at the very beginning of the game. But I'm not sure if I want it to be the exorcism. Okay, well, I'll do. Exorcism is unlocked at level 5. I'm going to put module.display order was 1. So I'm going to order it based off this. Copy these two new values. So for the door seal, the level is going to be 1. You're going to start off with this. It's going to be the second spell it shows. Restrain. It is going to be shown third. I'm actually going to bump up the level requirement from what I have written here. Also pretty cheap. I'm going to up that price. Okay, so a bit of a debuff on Restrain. Also, why is Door Seal costing 10? It should cost 1. Okay, so Restrain costs 4, level 20, display order 3. Then there's Pacify. It's going to be shown 4th. The level is 30. Let's do 35. Cost is 3. I'll write some descriptions for these in a second. Spirit Walk. Cost. Let's do 6. Level is 60. This is going to be one of the later ones you get. Display order is 5. And then lastly, there's Revival. This is going to be the last one you get, but it's going to be incredibly important. This will be the last thing it shows. The level requirement is going to be 60. Ignore my mom's phone. And the cost is going to be a whopping 8. Okay, so I have that basic data here. Let's copy over some descriptions I wrote before and possibly alter them if I'm not too happy with them. Okay, so for the door seal, we have applies a seal to a door that does not allow the ghost to pass, but lets hunters go through freely. Okay, that's good. We have restrain. Call upon the depths to restrain the ghost with chains. Okay, that's not bad. Pacify. Remove the ghost's ability to attack you for a short period of time. One thing, I want to keep the tense the same, so I should say apply a seal to a door. I cannot spell. Apply, assist, apply, call, remove. Okay. Some person just randomly pinged me in a Discord server. Doesn't matter. What should I call this? So we have remove the ghost ability to attack you for a short period of time. I have planned out a new feature called attacks, so I think this is a bit misleading because it will not prevent attacks, but it will prevent hunts. I also want to change just for consistency. I'm going to change the apparition to ghost. It's the ghost and its transition to the spirit realm. Remove the ghost ability to hunt you for a short period of time. Maybe it should be something more like calm the ghost. Calm the ghost, preventing its attack, preventing a hunt for a short period of time. That's a bit better. Calm the ghost, preventing hunt for a short period of time. Okay, Spirit Walk. This one's, I really like the idea of this one. This one you get to enter the realm of the ghost for a little bit. You literally enter the spirit realm. You can see the ghost. You can wander around. You can see any items the ghost has pulled into its realm. And you have a limited time to try to get as much information about the ghost while you're there as possible before you are pulled back into the living realm. And if you take too long, you will be split between realities and die. Anyway, that's just a quick overview. So, transition over to the spirit realm for a short period. One sec. Okay, sorry about that. So transition over to the spirit realm. I'm going to stop playing for a short period of time. I've already said that a couple times. Transition over to the spirit realm to gain information about the ghost. Transition over. Actually, okay, I don't think I need to specify that. Realm. Transition over to the spirit realm, but with a deadly time constraint. Basically, just saying, if you take too long, you die. So I think that is a good spell name, description. Transition over to the spirit realm, but with a deadly time constraint. And then revival, obviously, is just bring a dead teammate back from the realm of the dead to assist you in your hunt. I think the last part I don't need. Bring back a dead teammate from the realm of the dead. I want this text to be a bit larger, so I'm going to do that. Bring a dead teammate back from realm of the dead. Okay, that's good. There's some decent descriptions. I do notice that the door seal one is considerably longer than all the others. I'll just say that. Apply a seal to a door that does not allow the ghost to pass. Okay, so I think that's good for the description and prices. Except I did not set the level for the revival yet correctly. I'm going to make that 60, and I'm going to bump up the Spirit Walk to 80. Actually, let's do a freaking 100. Spirit Walk is supposed to be a really mysterious and powerful spell. I think that is good for these. Now I'm going to update the package and start writing code to display these in the lobby. Okay. Published package. Cool. And look at that. It should instantly update. I love packages so much. It did it. Oh, let's go. Okay. So for the loader, I have a loader here, and I want to make this load all these and display them here. So I am going to just load module scripts. So spell in pairs game dot replicated storage. What the heck? Freaking tab complete game dot replicated storage dot spells package link. Okay, I can't access that. That's kind of worrying. Get children. You do. If spell is a module script, then we will load it into memory and take its information. That sounds pretty cursed. So I'm gonna have a list of spells up here. Spells. Hey, welcome back, Skelly. I've been losing viewers very rapidly. I think part of the Twitch algorithm is they take into account how many active chatters you have. Because as soon as King of Kai and you left, my viewer count just plummeted. It's kind of sad. But now that I have a active chatter, maybe it'll go back up a bit. We'll see. So for every spell, if it's a module script and not the package link, why does it say that it's edited? I don't even know. Okay, just ignore it. Publish. Nothing's happening. Okay. Did anything bad happen? No, everything's fine. Okay. So we're gonna do table.insert spells and require spell. We're just gonna load up that spell and add it to the list. Now we want to sort this list so that they are in the display order. Doesn't matter. So I'm gonna do table.sort spells and function A and B. So we're going to compare those two spells and tell me which one should come first. Now, I need to remind myself how this ordering works. So if I have local t equals 1, 5, 3, 9, -5, I want to sort this in increasing order. I would do table.sort t function a, b, turn a is greater than b. I forgot to actually print out t. Is that in increasing? That is in decreasing order. Okay, that's wrong. So I want to do a is less than b. So return a dot display order is less than b dot display order. And let me just double check that's what I called the variable display order. Yep. So that will sort the table so that it is in order of display order. Now I want to make those all visible here. Also going to do, I'm going to add a Boolean value on here, loaded, just so I can access if it has set up the info yet. Now I'll do for I, display order spell in pairs spells do. We're going to loop through them all in order, and we are going to load the data into the one of these we see. So we just take those module scripts, take their data, and we're going to put those up there. So script.parent display order dot. What data do these have? We have spell name dot text equals spell dot name, lowercase n, question mark. Yes, I'll just keep that open for reference. I'm gonna actually store this in variable frame. Local frame equals that. Okay, now I do frame dot description equals dot text spell dot description frame dot level requirement what? Made a stupid here. Okay, dot level requirement dot text equals reach level spell dot level to unlock. So I call it, yep. And then there's the cost. I do frame dot crystal icon dot text label. Should consider. I'm gonna rename that. My dog is crying. My door reset. Okay, so I'm gonna rename these text labels to something that makes sense. The cost, because that's what they display. Cost. Just bulk select it. Name cost. Okay, much better. Okay, crystal icon dot cost dot text equals x dot dot spell dot cost. I think that will work. I'm just gonna make sure there's not gonna be an error if I try to concatenate a string and a number. Pretty sure it automatically turns into a string, but yeah, it works. Okay, all good. So that I think should load everything in. And one more thing I need to do, frame set attribute. Also, I'm going to specify this as a frame for some autofill. What did I call the attribute? Required level. Required level. We're going to set this to frame dot. Oh, no, not frame. Spell dot level. Okay. Now I think that should load all the data from those scripts I have here, which should save some time. And like I said, these scripts do share between games. So if I want to change some values for like debuff or buff purposes, I can do that, and it will share between both games without me having to copy anything over, which is super nice. Now I have some scripts in place to just like make this work, and show which of these things are correct, which ones of these I actually have unlocked, and I want to make sure that all this data is loaded first. So we're gonna wait until that, and parent dot spells frame dot inner dot loader get attribute loaded. We're just gonna make sure it is loaded. I probably should put some variables here, but oh well. Also should be using wait for child here. I'm gonna say local inner equals, just grab this. Okay, and now I can replace this here. Inner. That should be helpful. So we are going, I'm also going to make sure the script exists. Wait for child. Loader. Okay. So, as soon as the data has loaded from the scripts and the player's level has loaded, we are going to update these so that it is clearly visible which ones you have access to. That just makes it glitch. Okay. Now let's just check out that this works. What's this? Oh, okay. Doesn't matter. Let's test out that this works. Just disable that. Play the game. See what happens. Skelly is saying I should try adding in some quiet lo-fi music. I could do that. I just don't like the idea of forcing certain music upon certain people because I know that some people don't like lo-fi, or just there's always going to be someone that doesn't like the music you put on, and people could just start up their Spotify on low volume in the background. But I could put some quiet lo-fi music in the background. I don't have enough viewers to really start a poll, but I can start one in my Discord. By the way, if you're watching this stream and you're not yet followed, please consider following. And if you're not in my Discord, you can scroll down. There's a Discord link there. Or you can do !Discord in the chat, and it will give you a link. You can join my Discord, and you will be pinged if you choose to opt in. Whenever I go live, you can participate in polls, chat with me, whatever. Anyway, the game's loaded. Creepy ambience. Create lobby. Create. Head over here. Spellbook. Exorcism, Door Seal, Restrain, Pacify, Spirit Walk, Revival. Okay! That seems to have worked. One thing I do notice is that the level is a question mark for some reason. That's probably not good. I'll take a look into that. Let me just double check all these values are correct. So we have Exorcism is 10, Door Seal is 1, Restrain is 4, Pacify is 3, Spirit Walk is 6, Revival is 8. Yep. And if I change my level manually, like 500, that shouldn't change anything. 100, that shouldn't change anything either. 99, ooh, that's not good. I should have lost Spirit Walk. Let's just try lowering it to 1. That's not good. Okay. Oh, I'm just stupid. I never tell the script. I never notify everyone else that the script's loaded. Script, set attribute, loaded, true. Okay. That was stupid on my part, but that should fix it. And it did load data from the script, so... Okay. Oh, it's because I changed what this was called. I call this cost now. Cost and cost. Okay. Let's just run that again. Can attempt to compare number to nil. Okay. I think I know what went wrong here. In the loader, set attribute required level to spell.level. Now, is there no spell.level? There is a spell.level. Let me test what's happening in game. Oh, wait, it's probably considering... Yeah, it's considering the script. I only want it to consider the actual frames. So, I'm going to do... If v colon is a frame, then otherwise it's this loader script, which we don't want to consider. Okay. Let's see if it works. Also, if you're hating the ads, there's a simple solution. Subscribe to me. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm not gonna. I mean, I would be very happy if someone subbed to me. I have not gotten a single sub yet. Obviously, I've only had affiliate for 2 streams. But if you do subscribe, I do have a couple extra perks. That I obviously are not listed on Twitch. If you subscribe, I will hide your username, or your name, whatever you want me to call you. I'll hide that somewhere in my game for players to find. And you'll get a special role in the Discord, and you'll be permanently given VIP. I think that's a thing in Twitch. So, yeah. 1 second. Okay, so create the lobby. Spellbook. I lowered the level this time. That's good. All the spells are still here. And if I change my level, be like 5. Let's go! And if I do 100, they're all unlocked. 99, that one's not unlocked. Like 50, that one's not unlocked. 20, that's not unlocked. Cool. That's perfect. I did it. It loads all the info. So I'm going to save all these changes. Download a copy as is customary. You always gotta download copies, I'm telling you. If you don't download copies and your Roblox account gets destroyed, either by hackers or terrible moderation, you lose everything. That's a downside to Roblox. But I have learned my lesson the first time my account got deleted by terrible Roblox moderation. And what the heck? Okay, and I now save backups constantly. Luckily, I already saved some backups before my account was deleted, so I didn't lose too much programming progress when my account was deleted. But now I'm like really careful about it. Yeah. Anyway, so now that's there, and if I head over here, one thing I wonder when the game runs, are the package links removed? That would be nice. No, it is not removed, but it doesn't consider it as a package anymore. That's good to know. I'm learning. My viewer count is slowly descending again. No! 3. Oh well. By the way, how much money did I earn from the last ad break? It either isn't showing or I didn't make anything. Both very, very likely. Anyway. I have made 19 cents from Twitch in one stream. Wow, I'm rich. Oh, I couldn't possibly be more sarcastic. Now, I want to load these spells onto the spellbook as well. So if I'm going to make like a... I take the arms models and I grab out the spellbook. Oh god, I forgot how tiny I made it. Just ignore that. Ignore that. Everything's fine. Now it's too big. It doesn't matter. I'm just UI designing. All that matters is the aspect ratio. Oh wait, not quite. I need it to be small. I think about it. Because it's freaking ratios. Doesn't matter. So, all that matters is the page sizes. I want to just grab 2 pages and use that for the UI. Let's just grab page 1 and page 2. Paste those. Delete literally everything else. Grab 1 page. Rotate it around. Move it over. I'd like to fine move this. There we go. So that's actually, it's going to be rotated a bit. Oh, there we go. Close enough. That's about what the pages are going to look like. About, very roughly. And now I can do some UI design. Oh, you're welcome back. Yes. 2 pages of a book, actually. Just for UI design. Ugh, I cannot talk. Never could. Never will. Left page. Boom. Right page. Boom. And now I make it look normal. If at all possible. So I'm gonna open up these GUIs. We don't need these basic, not the to do. I have a little to do here. Whenever I forget, whenever I need to go, I think I might have forgotten something I need to do. I write it down so I cannot forget it next time. It just covers the whole screen. Anyway, so those are the 2 pages. Let's make a bit of an inset. Can I add an inset constraint? UI padding is what it's called. Does that even work on these? Aha, it does work. Okay, one too many zeros. So let's take that padding. Let's do a UI list layout. Now these are all going to be all the way wide. 1/3 of the height. And minus 66. That did not work. Why didn't that work? 1, 0, 0.33, 3333, negative 66. There we go. If I duplicate this, I might need to make sure to set the padding of this to 100. And another time. Boom. Beautiful. 3 things. And I'm going to take some stuff from here. Okay, some work is definitely needed, but I think it's heading in the right direction. First off, text should definitely be black. There. And now you can't see it. I think you will. You're going to have a faint light on your camera. So I think it'll be fine. I add a point light here. Actually, I should probably copy the point light, the exact same point light it's going to use. Camera light, point light, copy, and paste. Okay. So yeah, you can see that just fine. This is going to be black as well. Now that crystal looks a bit weird. It looks too light colored. So I'm going to take the image color and I'm just going to, let's just darken it. That didn't do anything. Why didn't that do anything? Did I press cancel instead of OK? I think I'm gonna make a major change here. You clicked cancel. Yeah, I do that a lot. I'm just stupid. Speed this the crap up. Um. Go, 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 go. So I have a cost. I'm going to say cost label. I'm going to just position that upward at 2.5. That was the wrong axis. I has crowd control points. What does that mean? Channel points? You mean channel points? Is your autocorrect having a field day? So this sizing is way wrong. 0.25. There. 5. Cost label. I'm going to make it taller. Say text. Cost. Say anchor. Or line. Y bottom. And cost, I'm going to line Y top. Description, I'm going to line Y at the top. And the name can stay centered. Oh no, it's the bottom. Well, what matters is it looks good. Should I try to make some sort of icon for every spell? Well, I can't, but I can try to hire someone for that. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. This is just placeholder UI for now. This UI stroke must be dark, and its thickness needs to be a lot more. What is happening? Why is it only going in those two directions? What if I turn off clip sentence? Aha! I figured it out. Now it feels like this needs to be shifted up, which I can do. There. That's a decent placeholder. I mean, it's not bad. It's probably not going to stay for a long time, but it will be what is there for the beginning. Now, of course, this needs to be clickable. So I am going to add a text button. Has no text. Size is just going to cover the whole thing. Background is going to be 1. And there. I'm going to call this clickable. The ZI index to something, the Z index, I'm stupid. The Z index is something really high. What's the Z index? Everything else, 3. So let's make this Z index 4. Okay, so that should be on the top. You'll be able to click on it. Get rid of these other two. And that. Let's duplicate. Call this 1, 2. Actually, it's going to be 1, 3, and 5. Oh, whoops. Okay, so, and then this is going to be 2, 4, and 6. Just double check I actually set that right. Yep, that's 6, and then this is, yep. Okay. And now I'm going to just leave that as is and have it so that this code automatically enables those game.startersui.leftpage.nil, game.startersui.rightpage.nil equals nil. Okay, now test this and then I have to go because my parents are watching a very loud TV show in the next room and I hate it. Ah, why do they have to do this? Okay, I will raid someone. Yes. Of course I will raid someone. Let me find someone to raid right now. Okay. Oh, my favorite streamer. My favorite Roblox Studio streamer is on right now. We're gonna go visit him. He's working on a game jam. Oh, right. I was gonna join that game jam, but then it conflicted with school. Because I have school starting on Monday. Isn't that the best? So if I open this up, that's actually not bad. That actually looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. I kind of like that. That doesn't look bad. This UI doesn't look bad. And maybe I should make it so it doesn't disappear instantly. That would probably be best. Does look a bit strange. I just want to make sure it's not clickable anymore. But there's another way to do that. I can just disable active. So I'm going to do something real quick then. Let's do item classes, spellbook. Close book. We do not want to do this. We're going to do v.active equals false. But here, we want to do v.active equals true. And then here we can disable it. Let's not do that though. It will be fine. It'll do it itself. Please work. It feels like the TV show is getting louder. Okay. Oh, crap. That's the other streamer. That's the streamer I'm gonna raid in a minute. Come on, please work, 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 please work. Okay. Open it up. And it remains there for a second. Okay, that's much better. Alright. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you very much. If you want to see more of this and you want to see where this game goes, make sure to join my Discord and follow so you don't miss another stream. You can join my Discord with !Discord or by scrolling down to the Discord connection. And yeah, make sure to follow too if you've been enjoying. And yeah, I'm going to raid someone now. I have their username right here. They are doing a Roblox Studio Game Jam. They are a great streamer. Yeah. Raid. Paste. Alright. Okay, so, I'll see y'all there. Have a good day. But you gotta take you to the top, sell my meat.
Give me 30 bucks.